till now you have learned letters using the standing line. Today we will tilt this line and learn how to do the slanting line. Let's see. This is standing line, and from here red line we start and we tilt it a bit and make a slanting line. Understood? So now let's learn the letter V. The sound for the letter V is V. Letter V. V says V. Let's do it on the dotted lines first. Start from the red line. Slanting line down. Slanting line up. Again. Slanting line down. Stop at the blue line. Slanting line up. Let's do it on these three dots now. Start from the red line. Slanting line down. Slanting line up. Again, slanting line down. Slanting line up. I hope you have understood how to use slanting lines to make letter V. Happy learning.